Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the question answer of NCERT, the chapter Air. Firstly, you have to write to define the terms. Define the terms. From this clipping, like first is greenhouse, second is global warming. And the answer will be here from, like first you will start from here till here, then second, when the level of carbon dioxide increase in its level, you can like from here na, when its level means carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere increases due to factory smoke, car fumes, heat retained increase the temperature of the earth. This is called global warming. So till here you will write, and after that we'll proceed to the question answer. Like second question you will do the tick mark, third you will do the match the following. So as in the given the picture you will do yourself, and fourthly you will write question answer. So as they are giving you will write them like NCERT question answers. Answer the following. The first question, that is what is atmosphere, that is on 20 page. Then what the two gases make the bulk of atmosphere. So the same is here. So firstly we'll see where the atmosphere question. So page number 20 will proceed. That is this one. From here till here. Second two lines. This is the question number one answer. Okay. Now second is that. So it has been written by me here only. Which two gases make the bulk of atmosphere? So that is nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%. So you will write like as the two gases makes the bulk of atmosphere are nitrogen and oxygen, proportion you will write. Third one is which gas creates the greenhouse effect in the atmosphere? The ozone gas. Sorry, carbon dioxide. Another is that what is weather? The weather, this I have written for you here. The weather you will write from here until whatever I have written. Weather is defined as the state of atmosphere at particular place and time as regards heat, cloudiness, dryness, then sunshine, wind, rain, etc. Now fifth question is name the types of rain, three types of rainfall. इसके साथ साथ आपको क्या करना है, क्वेश्चन ऐड भी करना है इसी में. ड्रॉ द पिक्चर ऑफ दिस ईच वन. ड्रॉ द पिक्चर ऑफ ईच वन, तो ये भी लिखना है. तो आप बता देंगे नेम द थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ, देयर आर द थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ रेनफॉल. तो वो आपका पिक्चर दिया हुआ है और नेम लिखना है, साथ साथ उनका पिक्चर भी बनाना है. लाइक यू कैन सी हेयर दिस वन. The first is cyclonic, second is relief orographic, third is convectional. Now proceed to the next one. What are air pressure? What is air pressure? So that answer you will get on page number 24. Very simple itself, it's given in the this is air pressure. Second paragraph, second line, air pressure till earth surface. So this is the answer of air pressure. Now we will proceed to give reason. Give reason. The first is I have written for you. So you will write like this: wet clothes take longer time to dry on a humid day because air is full of moisture. Due to this, it has less capacity to absorb moisture. So this is the answer. And next is I have written for you, but by mistake I did not click the picture. I'll click the picture and then send in the Google by the image. So you can write from there the answer of that second question, amount of the insolation increase from the equator written, sorry, towards the pole. So you will get the answer of that one. Another is that we proceed to the next page. This page is like this puzzles you have to solve. So this can be an activity for you, and this activity you will do on page and you will keep the page in your copy. ठीक है, ये आप उसमें भी कर सकते हैं और नहीं तो इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, सॉल्व द क्रॉसवर्ड पजल. तो इसको आप एक्टिविटी करिए सो दैट यू कैन राइट. ठीक है, तो दिस विल बी योर एक्टिविटी. Activity, and in activity copy you will do this. In activity copy. So this I have solved. You can see from here because it will be time taking if I read each one of the statement. Statement पढ़िए आपको भी समझ आएगा. ठीक है, तो this was all about the chapter. हाँ, one thing is left, that diagram. So diagram, one diagram this you will make. This diagram you will draw. Another is these diagram you will draw. Then this diagram, this pie chart. If you are able to picture of girl to draw, can draw. Otherwise this pie diagram you will make and color it accordingly. ठीक है, नाइट्रोजन को आप ग्रीन कलर से दिखा सकते हैं, कार्बन ऑक्सीजन को ब्लू से दिखाया है और ये ऑरेंज ही रहने दीजिए. तो like 3 color you will show and beautifully you can make like this whatever the structure is given here, and the girl you can show. So this was the homework of today's. So do it, and okay, thank you, have a nice day.